We're back with breaking updates coming in. The much debated Waqf bill has become a reality as President Draupadi Murmu has given her assent to the Waqf Amendment Bill 2025, which was cleared by the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha in the week after marathon debates. Following her assent, the bill has now officially become a law. My colleague Tetri is joining us on the broadcast. Tetri, the new Waqf Act is coming into force when the central government has also issued a notification that's expected soon. When is it happening? After marathon discussions that have taken place in the parliament, the bill is now officially a law.
Well, absolutely. The bill has now officially become a law after President Draupadi Murmu has given her assent. And in fact, it was given yesterday night around 11:40 p.m. on 5th of April. And now it has become a law. And in fact, now certainly it will be implemented as well. Now we'll have to see, that what happens next. But yes, there were discussions held in both the houses, say it be the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, if we talk about, then the discussion was held over more than 12 hours. If we talk about Rajya Sabha, then the discussion was held more than 14 hours. Remember that both the houses were holding discussions till midnight, till 2 a.m., till 3 a.m. And if we talk about the BJP, then all the senior leaders most of the senior leaders of the BJP spoke on this bill. The opposition leaders also spoke on this bill. There was a massive debate, massive controversy over this bill in both the houses as well. Protests were also staged in several parts of the country, especially if we talk about the states like West Bengal and Karnataka as well. But yes, in fact, there was fear-mongering as well, that the entire country will be witnessing protests like Shaheen Bagh. But so far, we haven't seen any such kind of protest within the area of Shaheen Bagh itself. In fact, we ourselves went to Shaheen Bagh and reported from that particular spot where the protest took place
the
during
new law seeks to improve the management and administration of the Waqf properties. We're getting in more breaking